guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vivian here. If you're new to my channel, very much welcome. And today I'm just going to go ahead and do my makeup, and I'm not going to be applying anything to my eyes. I mean like eyeshadow, eyeliner, all of that, just because this period my eyes have been acting very funny. I've never had hay fever, but this year hay fever is upon me and it's so bad. Like, I can't do any eyeshadows, I can't do eyeliners, or even worse, like my eyes just water and water and water. So and they itch, so every little thing that goes close to my eye just makes it itch like crazy. It itches, the itch, oh my goodness. When it starts to itch here, I feel like taking out the eyeballs and scratch around it and then put it back. It's that bad. So I'm just avoiding my eyes. I don't do any makeup on my eyes for now. I just go ahead and do my face, and yeah, that's what I'm doing today. So if you're like me and you have hay fever and your eyes are so sensitive, or you're having those days where you don't necessarily have hay fever, your eyes are just being sensitive and watery, this is one of those sort of makeup that you can do still, no eyeshadows, but then your makeup still looks good. So I'm just going to go ahead and prime my face. I've already done my brows, so you can see, and I've gone for my scarf because I'm feeling lazy putting anything on my hair. And this is a very simple look as well too, because when you do your eyes, it takes a very long time because you have to concentrate on blending and all of that. With this look, it's just and you're out. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and use my foundation. And today I'm using the STILA Stay All Day foundation. This is the shade 15. I'm using it like that. I know the foundation comes with the concealer at the top there. Show you guys, just in case you don't know. Very good concealer is finished there. This is a very full coverage foundation. I love this foundation. What am I gonna use? I'm gonna use my brush to blend this out. So when I take it over my eye, I just go very soft so it doesn't trigger anything, any itchiness. So I don't like taking my foundation to my neck, so just stop there. So next step, I'm going to use my concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Make Concealer number 40. I'm just going to apply this on all the areas I would usually highlight, and this time I'm actually going to put this on my lid, just because that area is a bit dark, and I'm not using any eyeshadow, so I want it to be. So I don't want it looking dark there, and then when my eyes are bright. So yeah. So the number 40 is a bit bright. I'm going to tone it down with a bit of 45, just under my eye. But I'm going to leave this one here because I want it to brighten up there. Let's blend this out. I'm trying to be as gentle as possible with my eyes, and already I'm having some tingling effect on this, on my right eye here. I guess it's because I've been applying some brushes over there. The foundation brush went over my eyes, and this is quite soothing, so just use it to stylishly scratch without using my fingers. Oh dear. So do you guys have hay fever, and when you do, how severe is yours? I know some people can actually be sick from it, and mine is not that severe. I'm like sick now. It's just my nose sneezing sporadically, and then my eyes. The worst is just my eyes. Because already before now, I've always had issues with my eyes. It's growing up as a child and all of that, and it's not like I can't see. I see excellently, properly, but it's just that they itch so badly. I have periods where my eyes itch so badly, like it makes me so restless, and then top that with hay fever, it's just something else. So I'm just letting my eyes rest for now. Okay, listen, I love the way this concealer blends so beautifully. It's amazing. I'm going to use LANCOME foundation. This is TEINT IDOLE number 15. I always use this for my contour because it's very dark. It may look like I'm taking too long, but trust me, this look is very simple. It's just because I'm filming it, it seems like taking forever, but it's actually a very simple way to make up. And I'm going to use the bottom of my blending sponge to just blend that out. Right, we're done with that. I'm going to set my face, and I'm using the MERCIER powder to set my face. Perfect. So I'm going to use the powder over my eyes. Remember, I used the concealer there. Just use this over it as well. Somebody's looking crazy. I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder to set my face, the rest of my face, and then brush this off as well. So I'm going to set my face a bit to stick it with some powdery effects. Next, I'm using my sleek contour powder and heat pan with that. I'm just going on the sides, and I'll use it to set my face, set my contour area. Now, one thing I can do when my eyes start getting irritated is apply my mascara on my lashes and then falsies as well. If you know me, you know I always like to line my waterline the cool liner, but I can't do that now because that's like the major area where I shouldn't be going to. So with this, I just try to be light-handed and not touch the bed of my lashes. It makes sense. So I'm highlighting with my Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick Compact palette. Use this. I've applied my falsies and my eyes are looking okay. Let's see this. Now for the lips, you can try to go very neutral or very bold, which I'm going to bold. I'm going to try to go very bold. This is a lip liner from NYX, it's PLUM, and this is AMOREMATTE lip cream from, this is from MILANI Cosmetics. See how bright that is. I'm going to try and blend it so it suits my head wrap and everything matches, okay? So that is bright. It's bright. It dries down to matte, so that's fine. I'm sitting here wondering why this lip color is looking so bright on camera, but then so subtle in real life. But anyway, yeah guys, that's the finished look. No eyeshadow, just full face of makeup with lipstick, and yeah, that's it. Some days no eyeshadow, right? Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next one. I hope you guys enjoy this. Stay blessed. Bye.